Welcome in, welcome in. More lovely Neo65 Core Plus content for y'all. So I was having a chat with homie Keyboard Dad. He just received his Core Plus in a teal and copper, and he's topping it with Windbreaker. Great looking board. Great looking combination. He built it with Cloud V2s, a PP plate, and DCS. He sent me a snippet and asked what I thought about the sound. I thought it sounded pretty good in Poppy, and decided to clone the build since I had all the parts. So I built it out with PP plate, Cloud V2s, and DCS 9009. Typically, I don't use DCS with HMX as it's usually too much clack. I generally use DCS with MX Browns. I find that combination to work excellent, particularly with PC plates. Right away, when I built it with the DCS, it seemed surprisingly deep. The Neo PP plastic that they're using seems to come off pretty deep. I noticed it was a little bit deep on the Core 60 PP plate too, versus like the PP plates I use from Hype. It's still good. It's still good to tone down some of this DCS clack. I don't mind the build, but it's a touch deeper than I like for my normal preferences. Still very good tone, but a mid clack for HMX. I was going to record that sound test of the build, but figured why not throw some GMK on the build as well and give you guys more reference points. So decided to run a back-to-back for fun. The only thing changing is the caps. Everything else will stay the same. Still pretty interesting to hear the difference between DCS and GMK. If you haven't seen my keycap showdown video where I did 11 back-to-backs in a row with like every single keycap type, basically. That one took me all afternoon. Link will be in the description for that if you missed that, but you get to see the difference between CRP, DCS, GMK, swag keys, JTK, key Kobo. I've mixed and matched back-to-back sound tests and combinations for all of those, so you guys will get a good look at it. Anyway, let's get on with DCS versus GMK sound test. Wow. Listening to this back-to-back, they are both great builds, really. This board is too good. Core Plus Neo just knocked it out of the park. Let me know which build you like better, the DCS or the GMK. You can also see the Bingsu is working great on this Mont Blanc, thanks to the annihilating pink at times. Once again, thank you for all your support. I love y'all. Let me know what you want to hear next on this board. If I have the switches or the plates, I will make it happen. Peace.